Hey everyone, it's Juno from Rentman. Now that your equipment is in Rentman, let's plan it for a project. This step helps you keep track of what's needed for each event and spot double bookings before they even happen. First, I'm going to be moving to the Projects module. From the Projects module, I'm going to open a project. From this project, I'm going to be moving to the Equipments tab. And here, I'm going to select a piece of equipment. Then I'm going to click Add, and then I select an equipment group. There you go. You just planned equipment for a project. Everything you add here links directly to your quote in Warehouse Prep later on. Try it yourself.